Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already saved a copy. Good. Now select the cells or entire column containing the double quotes so you limit changes. Once selected, decide whether you want an immediate in-place edit with find and replace or a reversible formula approach. The replace method edits the values directly. The substitute formula preserves originals and outputs clean text in a new column. Make sure the selection covers all affected rows so you don't miss stray entries. If you choose Replace, press Ctrl+H, type a double quote into Find What and leave Replace with empty. Click Replace All to remove every quote in the selection. Alternatively, use equals substitute, A2 char 34, to create cleaned copies. This works because char 34 represents the double quote and avoids typing nesting problems. Once the substitute results look correct, make sure to copy the new column and paste special values to lock in the clean text. Finish by scanning random rows to confirm only quotes were removed and no important punctuation vanished. If quotes reappear or removal fails, make sure cells aren't generated by formulas that reinsert quotes or that you remove char 34 occurrences. Check for non-standard quotes like smart quotes. Once done, apply trim to the cleaned column to remove extra spaces that can appear after deletion. If something went wrong, undo and use the substitute formula.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.